everyone, welcome to my channel called Aqua Bloom Boutique. If you guys are new here, you guys don't know who I am, my name is Zoa. So welcome to my channel, and if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like, because this channel is going to be about sewing and embroidery for your business. So anyways, today I'm coming on to show you guys the different type of onesies out there that are common that I see most people use. To share an insight with you guys that they all can be embroidered, and just to tell you guys how the texture and the thickness of it is, and just share an insight with you guys. So if you guys are starting now your own embroidery business, you guys can see the type of brand that you like, or just to give you guys some education on the different types that are out there, so you guys can make better decisions for your own business or just for your own personal use. So I'm going to start off with a new company that just started recently, and the company name is called AP Blinks. The owner, her name is Pia, and she's really generous and really nice. I met her through YouTube here, and she contacted me. It was about 2 months ago, and I just haven't had time to do this video, so I'm going to do this video. And so yeah, I'm going to show you guys her blinks. So her blinks are different than all the other brand, but today I'm going to be talking about AP blinks. It's AP, okay? And then this one is ARB. I don't have any AJ onesie here, but AJ is almost the same as ARB, so I think they're the same. So just going to talk about ARB. And then this one is Carter. You guys know the Carter brand. And then this is the Hobby Lobby brand called Creation of Grace. And then this is Gerber. So let's go back to AP Blinks. So the reason AP Blinks, it's a higher price point, if you guys are getting this, because it's not comb cotton, it's Pima cotton. There's no different. It's just that the way how they're treated during production, like when it's manufactured, when the fibers manufactured, it's different. So with Pima, they're made of long strand of cotton that it's woven to like fine strand, long strand of fiber, and it's woven into this garment. So you will get a silky, soft surface. I think that's the term. So it's really smooth, and I think Pia has told me that it's laundered really well. It doesn't have peelings. Like those peelings are like those like those fuzzy stuff. Some of the other cotton, like over time when you wash them so much, they start to have peelings, like those fuzzy stuff on your shirt. So that's why Pima is really quality cotton, and it doesn't have that. I can't say for sure because I haven't washed it so many times. Maybe like when I give it to my son and wash it like for a couple months, and then I will show you guys if it has like those peelings. Is it peelings or powlings? Sorry if I don't know my exact terminology. And then next is ARB blinks. I'm pretty sure you guys know ARB and AJ and I think Blinks Boutique. They're pretty much 100% comb cotton, and I don't know that you guys notice that there's a weight. The weight determines the thickness of the garment. So I'm pretty sure that these are like 210 GSM. GSM stands for like gram something. That's all I know. I'm not really knowledgeable yet, but that's why these has a little thickness to it. compared to the Carter and the Gerber. The Carter and the Gerber, you can get away with it if you want to embroider, and if you're just starting out, you don't want to order anything, you don't want to have a lot of inventory, you can go and get these from Walmart or Target or Hobby Lobby brand, and you don't have to keep anything on hand. Only if you're starting out with like doing baby stuff. If you're doing birthday stuff, then you can also get the Walmart t-shirts too. I know that some ladies start off doing that, and that's perfectly fine. Some customers, they don't mind those brand because they know those brand. But I just want to share you guys all the option out there. So if you guys like want to jump into like ARB or AJ, you guys can do that too. But just give you guys like various price point and where to get your stuff when you're starting out and you don't want to have a lot of stocks on hand. And they embroider pretty well, you guys. I don't know why a lot of people keep saying that they have issue, but it's just the way how you stabilize it and the needle that you use. So, and the design too. Sometimes the design could be designed really bad and it won't work well. And plus these has like a ribbing. Ribbing means like it has like lines. When you stretch it, you see like the lines. But with ARB and with the AP blinks, you don't see those. What the AP blinks has? Well, they're more visible on the they're more visible on Carter and Gerber, but not as much on the AP blinks and ARB blinks because they're thicker. They're thicker materials. So, and the Hobby Lobby one is pretty thick too, but then they attract a lot of lint. You see this one is put here, they attract some stuff here. They're a little bit fuzzy, so maybe that might not be good for some kids. So, but the quality is just fine. Stitched out good. I have no issue. And then I stitched this out for my son's first birthday. He just had a photo shoot last year. And I made him this fox onesie. So yeah, I hope that you guys can see that well because I'm a little bit far away. And then the Gerber one, it's stitched out pretty well too. I don't have any large hole. This one is a Carter. It's stitched out good, but there's a little bit mistake there because I didn't put a soluble topper on it. Like for this thin one, you need to stabilize really well in the back and also put water soluble on top to help with the impact of the needle, like to lessen the impact. So then you don't create holes on it. Because this one I have a really tight space on this S. I'll come near the camera so you guys can see it. So this one, I forgot the water soluble. You always need water soluble with, well for me, I put that because this one I forgot. It was for a customer last year, but then I forgot to put water soluble on it. And so the S has a large hole right there. I'm pretty sure you guys can see that. It's right there. See that? So yeah. So other than that, I stabilize it pretty well. So I don't see any other hole. It's just that part. But if after I put water soluble on it, I eliminated that hole right there. So when I send the one to the customer, there was no hole. But this one was the mistake. I just kept it so I can do a video like this and share it with you guys. My mistakes.